Hi everyone, back with me again in this channel. So on today's video I'm gonna give you a tutorial on how you can easily add blur transitions to your anime video edit on CapCut. So first just add your clips and then click on the transition box and then select the blur category and choose the bubble blur transitions. Okay, so as you like, I'm going to go with 0.5 seconds. Click on check icon and now click on a second clip. Go to animation in and then select the unfold animation and set it all the way like this. Click on a check icon. Now go to the video effect, lens, find the smart sharpen and adjust the effect like this. So for the sharpen, go with 80 and then rate 70 and filter and blur 50. Okay, so now you are done. Click check icon and set the effect on the second clip. And now here is the result. Guys, so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on the thanks. I'll see you all on the next tutorial. Bye bye.